What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a new video on Amazon/Kindle self-publishing. Today is going to be part 2 of Jacob reviewing your keywords. So what I'm going to do is continue on with looking at a few keywords that were asked to be reviewed by members of my mastermind, the Elite Keyword Mastermind. If you want to join, go to elitekeywordmastermind.com. Link is below in the description. Sign up, pay the membership fee, and you are in. I've got a course on how to find keywords in minutes, sometimes seconds, how to find the best keywords, and I give you my best keywords every month. So with that, we're going to look at a few keywords that were asked to be reviewed by me and see if a certain keyword or topic is profitable, not profitable, why that is, and if it is profitable, what would you need to do for that book to sell well. So without further ado, John Jordan, continuing on from the last time we spoke, we're going to look at how to analyze people first. So let's look at how to analyze people, and it should auto-populate books. Great. And I have not rehearsed, I have not done any preparation. I've done this on purpose so that you can see in real time what I'm thinking and how I'm analyzing these books. How to analyze books, that should be a keyword. Right off the top, there's a whole lot of freaking books on this topic. It's pretty general and it's not too original, but I'm sure it does well. Yeah, it's gonna do well as a topic. Not even like really reviewing the books yet. I know it's gonna sell well just because, well, people want to know how to analyze other people, right? So that's a given. It's a profitable keyword. I don't even have to really continue on. I could show you like even I think the Kindle versions will sell decently well too. Yeah. That one, not so much. If we go back to this one, this one should sell pretty well. Yeah. And this person even has a bundle because they're smart. Let's see what they've got here. Oh, wait, no, it's a 3-book series. It's not a bundle. They should consider doing a bundle. Alright, so I'm not really going to spend too much time reviewing it. John Jordan, what you got to do here is figure out how the hell you're going to differentiate your book from every single book that's on this topic, man. This is going to continue on through pages 1, 2, 3. No, mostly pages 1 and 2, it looks like. Think of how to get ahead towards the first page. It's not going to be just about review swaps, obviously. I'm trying to get you guys away from thinking just review swaps alone will get your book sold. That's not how you do it. This is going to be something you have to figure out because in this case, I can't really do it for you. If you do want to publish for this keyword, it is profitable, but you have to come up with some way of coming up with a special angle. Maybe have a series based on the topic of different topics that aren't being covered with these books, but it's pretty dense. It is possible for you to make it towards the first page, maybe even towards the top of the first page. You can even run AMS. This is not super profitable of a keyword, but if you want to give it a go, it's okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this maybe a 6. Yeah, a 6 if you were to consider how profitable this is and if it's really worth your time. I would try to prioritize other keywords, but if you are hung up on this one, you can give it a try. So, I think you meant here the next keyword we're going to look at is dark psychology. So, let's look at dark psychology. It's going to also be related to analyzing people. See? Funny. Okay, so I think this will sell well too, even though it's kind of corny. There's not as many books on the topic. Yeah. Not quite as many. particular to dark psychology. So let's take a look-see at the rankings. I don't think it's going to be super impressive, but I could be wrong. So far, I'm right. It doesn't sell a lot at all. It does okay on paperback. I'm going to look at the Kindle version just in case. Yeah, it does not. It's decent. I'm not too hot on this one. Maybe this book, since it's a bestseller, could be better. It does okay. It does good. It's a relatively newer book, so that tells you right off the bat, if you just need to do what you're supposed to do, you can have a top-ranked book for this keyword. It's the Kindle version that sells, that has the #1 bestseller. In physical disabilities, they're faking which category this book belongs to, and they do pretty good. Let's see, let's keep going. This book got shit on. If we look at the distribution of reviews, positive reviews, fake and real reviews. Okay, so this one's probably a short book. Oh no, wow, on the contrary. Like, whatever. So it does well on paperback. It's supposed to do decently on Kindle, and they have an audiobook too, which is smart. And it does okay. It does okay. This is, I think, a better keyword than How to Analyze People, because the barrier to entry towards the first page is simply less. You're going to have an easier time ranking for this book, and the sales are just about the same. Maybe this sells a little bit better if you are going to depend on the Kindle version. The Kindle versions sell decently. So let's take a look. Yeah, it does okay. This one I would maybe rate like a 6.5. 7's really pushing it for how enthusiastic I'd be about publishing for this keyword. I think this one's better than How to Analyze People. If you have the money, if you have the disposable income to invest $300 on a book for this keyword, go for it. Just put it out there, and if you do, just follow up with me. Let's see what happens with it. You should be able to at least make your money back within a month tops, maybe a month or two. But it's not a bad keyword. It's definitely more original than How to Analyze People, albeit corny. Okay, Adrian. Anger management. That is a super popular topic. It's going to be so dense with competition, as you've got everyone dealing with anger management and needing a guide on how to manage the anger from all sorts of walks of life, whether it's work, personal, in relationships, for women, for men, for kids, whatever. Yeah, I'm not even going to touch this, man. No, you have no chance. Straight up, like, this one's probably a bestseller again for a fake category. So, just reviewing real quick. It's a #1 in popular dance. Told you. Yeah, this is bullshit. Don't do that. You can get in trouble for doing this shit. Don't do that. Yeah. Adrian, the reason why I'm already passing over this keyword is because it's just too dense with competition. How the hell are you going to get to here in this section of the rankings when there's going to be multiple pages on anger management, everything related to the whole gamut of the topic? You're going to have a hard time, man. No, let's skip that keyword. Don't do it. Don't do it yet. You're not ready. You wouldn't be ready for that as a self-publisher. Empath. That's a Empath books. Alright. This is a little... here we go again. I just don't like the fact that there's books that are already covering this keyword that are pretty good. I mean, where could you fit yourself in here without even looking at anything yet? Like, how well does this keyword even do? It's not that great. I mean, for a self-published author who doesn't have, following on this keyword, it doesn't seem to be too great. This one will do well, just because. Yeah. Yeah, though it was a CreateSpace entry, how funny. But it's nearly 300 pages of content. It's thorough in its work. Someone put their time. A great cover, by the way. Original looking cover. It's takes a lot of work to get to something of that quality. So a lot of work and a lot of money. Likewise, yeah. Adrian, I know you are relatively young. You're a student. I know you don't have $1,000 to drop on one book, and I would not advise you to. I would also have to skip this keyword. Try to find keywords that are not as dominantly competitive with books like these. You know why Fortnite was so easy? Just skipping over the whole topic of copyright infringement and whatnot, just purely looking at book rankings subjectively. The reason why Fortnite's so accessible is because, hey, that's my book. Hey, book. Everyone's got only like 5-10 reviews, and there's you can always fit your way in if you try hard enough. See, I'm number 2 in rankings with 11 reviews. All right, so it's possible. But yeah, this is just too heavy of competition for you to stack up against. So, I mean, we can keep going on with more keyword reviews. Let me know, guys, whether you're in my mastermind or even if you want to leave comments below. Let's take a look, and I want to help you out. Hit the bell, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up. Facebook, comments below. Instagram, you'll find me. Till then, keep publishing.